Wait, should we go inside?
I think we have to.
Okay, let's go. Stay back. Whoa!
Oh, look at that!
Okay, Krystal, we got that order for 5 million stress balls from Toys A Lot. We need to make 5 million and fast.
Yes.
That's right. In the last video, you got an order from that lady for 5 million stress balls, right?
Yeah, so we need to make 200,000 of this foam slime stress ball. So let's start by making this, and you can make a different one too.
Yes.
And so let's see, you got 10 weeks to do them, right?
Yes.
And 5 million, so that would be 500,000 per week.
Also, another really popular one is the kinetic sound one, so you might want to do that one.
Yeah.
So you're using your stuff-a-loons, right? Putting your foam in.
The foam slime. Just like that. Okay. Krystal, you can go get any ingredients that you want.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna, I think this one's good just like how it is. So I'm just gonna get it off the stuff-a-loons. Twist it up. Get a tie. And we're gonna tie this thing up. What are you adding, Krystal?
Just kinetic sand, blue kinetic sand to be exact.
Perfect. Now let's get this off the purple thing, and then we're done.
Super cool, Assistant. But Assistant, you and Krystal need to work on your project for school.
Oh yeah.
Wait, let's let Krystal finish this one.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
now
you-
let the ear out.
That's
Why don't you take it? You can work on it as you walk to you work on your homework, okay?
yeah.
Okay. Well, I love this stress ball.
Those are super cool. And look, Waggles loves them too. Waggles, are you gonna help? Oh, you're out of here.
There's Assistant and Krystal stress ball factory. I don't think kids should have stress balls. I think they should have more stress. And here's a fog machine that I could use to put them out of business. I'm so glad we got our homework done.
Yeah. Wait. What's going on over here?
Yeah, Assistant, like, what's coming?
It looks like fog's coming out of here.
It's like coming out the window.
Wait, should we go inside?
I think we have to.
Okay, let's go. Stay back. Whoa!
Oh, look at that! Wait, what is all this?
I think it's fog.
What happened to your clothes? What's that sound?
Wait, it's a fog machine.
It's a fog machine? Somebody put a fog machine in here?
Wait, we should blow.
Here, no, open that door up. Let's get it out of here.
Should we turn this fan on?
Yeah, turn that fan on.
Should we turn it off?
Just take it out.
Okay.
Do you know how a fog machine works?
No, how?
Here, let's look at it. So you got the fan on, right? We're gonna blow all that fog out of here.
I should put it in the loft.
Yeah, get it. We gotta get this fog out.
Well, I can barely see anything.
Yeah,
We need to go.
it's
Whoa,
hard.
outside it looks very weird.
It's totally harmless, but look, this is how a fog machine works. So there's a solution in there, right?
Right here.
Right there, and it goes across like a condenser that actually kind of warms it up and turns it into fog.
Yeah.
Now, do you know that it'll actually make a smoke alarm go off even though it's not real smoke?
Really?
I learned that during doing a video one time. We had the fire department come when I was just using this fog machine. But it's not real.
I think it's clearing out pretty good in here.
Yeah, let's clear it out so you guys can go
Yeah.
back to work. Right?
Right.
All right, let's use that fan and
I think it's almost all out of the loft. Wind.
actually if you put it right in front of the door, it'll suck the fog right out and push it outside.
Yes.
Just like that. And you know who likes that?
Waggles.
Waggles. He likes to get it.
You can feel the breeze. Oh, it feels nice.
Okay, guys, do you think it's time to go back to work?
Yep,
Yeah.
I think it is.
All right, let's start making some more. Or you guys need to make some stress balls, right?
Yeah.
I wonder who did that.
I know.
I know, right? Alright, so what type of stress ball should we make, Krystal? Another
Let's
orange?
make something that's unique.
You know, we should do a color theme. Let's go over here to our area of... So, what color theme do you think it should be? Do you think it should be pink, blue, red, orange, green, purple? Because we have all of these mini slimes right here.
Let's do purple.
Purple? Okay, let's see. We have a purple slime in here.
With blue add-ins.
Purple and blue. Okay, so let's get purple. Purple. Oh, waggles. I think we should do purple and pink, just in case we don't have enough purple things.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a purple slime here as well. See? We can also add some add-ins into that. Here's some pink slime. And then some pink slime. I think that's good. Let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
Ooh.
So you're gonna make your stress ball, right?
Okay, I don't think we should do a special skin for this one, but let's just get a regular clear one.
Wow, all the fog is gone now.
Wow, that was pretty fast. Okay,
We put the fan in front of the door and that helped draw it out of here.
I think we should do this one because this one's a little bit better sucking out the air.
Oh, yeah.
But we can both add slime in.
Yeah.
We'll put it in the middle. Oh, it's not on all the way. I guess I had it wrong. Yours is the good one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's add the purple slime in. Okay, you start opening up other packages. Whoa, this slime is really sticky, and it smells like grape.
Ooh.
Perfect. So we got the slime here.
Ooh, I smell the grape. That smells good. But you won't be able to smell it in the stress ball. Ooh, we got dark in here.
Well, if it gets on the outer, then you might be able to. Okay, that's good. Okay,
Now we can add the add-ins.
don't we have to add in the other slime too?
Well, we can do that and then put it on top.
Okay, you pump it up. Pump up the slime. As I get this purple stuff in here. Look.
Alright, so let's see that purple stuff. Ooh, that's pretty cool looking.
Whoa.
Yep, let's add that in. Perfect.
And then we can add a little bit more glitter.
Okay, let's get this pink stuff in here.
Ooh. I bet that one smells like strawberry.
Ooh, it does. It kind of smells like strawberry shortcake. Okay, you can add in this one, Krystal. Ooh, this feels weird. Okay, there you go.
This one's kind of sticky.
I'll start opening this one too.
Well, you guys are putting a lot of different kinds in there.
Yeah, we're hoping this will turn out fantastic. That's probably good, Krystal.
You guys are probably going to need some more supplies for your 5 million that you've got to make.
Yeah, and we're definitely using a lot of supplies for this one right here.
Yeah, this is like going to be a special limited edition one, right?
Okay, add some more glitter in there. And now, okay, blow it up. Oops. Uh-oh, I missed it.
Uh-oh, that's okay.
Okay, can you put that back on?
This is a messy job.
Somebody's got to do it. I think you're going to have to do it from the inside.
Yeah. There's a hole in it, man. We need more supplies.
Oh, so that's why it stopped working, because there's a hole in it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so why don't you guys go get some more supplies, okay?
Okay.
So you can get it to work.
Okay, I'm gonna go hide these 3 smelly fish. They'll really stink. Ha! It really stinks in there. But they won't be able to find those fish because they're really hidden really well.
Alright, we got some more supplies to finish this stress ball.
Good, good job. You got one of your super balloons so that it doesn't
Yes.
pop, right?
Yeah.
Something smells weird.
Oh my gosh!
rather have that fog than what in the world?
Smell this! It makes it smell a lot better.
No, it doesn't. It smells terrible.
If you smell it close up, it does. Oh.
What is that smell?
What? It smells
It
like...
smells like dead fish.
Yeah, dead fish.
Oh
Okay, we need to look around for the source of this smell.
Yeah.
First, I think we should look in this Coca-Cola machine. Okay. Nothing in there.
Maybe a pie. Hey, look!
Oh, a fish above my clock.
There's a dead fish up there. Get it out of here.
Ew.
Get rid of that fish. All right.
Smells a little bit better now.
Yeah, it still smells really bad in here, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's check up in the loft.
Okay. Here's Bluey. Is it worse up there or better?
Oh, worse! It feels. My hand's on something slimy.
Ew. Here.
I don't see it. So what is it?
Ew, fish.
I don't see it. Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah, get rid of it. Was it under Bluey?
Yeah.
Who would do such a thing to Bluey?
Oh.
It's a little better, but I think there's more in here.
I think we should get rid of Bluey too. The smell kind of bled.
We can't get rid of Bluey.
Okay.
We gotta keep Bluey. He'll eventually.
Wait.
He's a dog,
We
right?
should look in here.
Anything in there?
No.
Maybe in the drawers. Nothing in there.
No.
Who would have done such a thing? Somebody who must really hate stress balls.
Let's check in the trash can. Nothing in there. Where is this smell?
Oh, right there. Right here.
It's above the window. Get it out of here. Throw it out that door.
Go.
Krystal, throw it out the door right
Oh,
here.
right here. Ew.
Oh. Wait a minute.
Oh my god. Now I think we should get back to making some of these.
Open that window. Let's open some windows up in here. Let's open some windows up in this place.
Oh man, I guess they'll be working in there after all. Well, they defeated me this time, but this is not the end.
Okay. So let's find out another color scheme for our thing.
Hey, what happened to the one you just made?
Right here.
Whoa, so that's a. Let's look at it here. I don't think they can see it. So that's the one you just made, right? That you had to go get some supplies for.
Yep. Okay. Now let's make one more. This one has to be ultra limited edition. Legendary.
Okay. What supplies are you gonna get?
Maybe we should make a sand theme. Or pink. Or
Teal.
I don't think we have a lot of other teal things though.
Blue.
Blue, perfect. Okay, we have blue. We also have blue here. Huh. We could use teal as the blue too. Okay, I think I have some more things up here. I have more blue foam things.
Yeah.
All right, let's make it, okay?
Okay, let's go. Okay, we got all of our supplies. Not the balloon one, that's the blue one. Should we use a special skin?
Let's just leave it how it is.
Okay.
I'll pour it in.
Oh, I think the balloon was on wrong.
Okay.
Let's open up the blue stuff.
Put it in.
Here's this blue.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's super, like,
It's super cool blue. Okay, let's put this in. Whew, there we go.
Ooh.
ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
I can't. That's pretty cool. It's got like little beads in it, right?
Yep.
Look at this slime.
Whoa, look at that.
Oops. Put that in. Oh, you gotta like roll it up into. Like make it like a snake, 'cause that way it goes all in. Okay.
Like a giant worm, right?
Yeah. Okay, we have the add-ins now. Dun dun dun. Can you keep blowing it up? Got it.
Ooh, look at that glitter. That's
Whoa.
Yeah. Now the stopper.
Yeah.
And now we do this.
Whoa.
Twist it. Whoa. Thank you. Put the tie on. And just like that. We are done.
Whoa, look at that, people. What do you think about that one? Is that pretty cool or what?
It looks like Earth, kind of.
Oh, it does.
Kinda, yeah.
That's super cool. And that's part of your order that you're going to fill, right?
Right.
Right.
All right, people at home.
Order.
So, Assistant, what should people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And where else can they watch us?
On the Roku app, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Happy Kids TV.
Just make sure you talk to your parents and see if it's okay for them to download that, right?
Right.
And then just search for the Engineering Family.
Now, Krystal, which one of these is your favorite? Mine is this one right here.
I
do like the new one that we made, though.
like
This one. Yeah, that one is so cool.
All right, everyone, have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.